arbitrationagreements.org. Understanding the legal system can be like navigating a maze, but today, we're here to shed some light on two significant terms: consent judgment and settlement agreement. While these terms are used interchangeably in some circles, they have key differences worth noting. But before we go over those differences, please press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Now, let's start by going over consent judgment. This is an agreement that becomes a court order once it's approved by a judge. In essence, a consent judgment carries the same weight and effect as if the matter had gone to trial. Interestingly, according to a 2022 study, about 95% of civil cases in the United States are settled before trial. A significant portion of these involve consent judgments. On the other hand, a settlement agreement is a private agreement between parties. This type of agreement doesn't need to be approved by a judge and typically doesn't become part of the public court record. Now, let's look at another statistic. A 2021 survey found that 67% of corporate litigants prefer settlement agreements due to their privacy and control over outcomes. Both consent judgments and settlement agreements serve different needs and circumstances, but understanding their distinct nature can be pivotal for informed decision-making in the realm of law. Knowing their differences empowers individuals and businesses alike to navigate legal situations with confidence. Do you need more information about the basics of consent judgment or settlement agreements? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Also, successful businesses depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about consent judgments and settlement agreements? Do you prefer one over the other? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution solutions that can save you time and money.